gets to the podium. Ladies and gentlemen, our good friend and the president of the USA and Canada delegation, please give a very warm welcome to Jean-Louis. Jean-Louis, come on up here. Here we go.
You're good, huh? You're good. Huh? Can we do it another time? I love it. Thank you, Liam. He's good. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Sorry, I'm going to get some help from my long-time brother of USA delegation of the Academy, Jean-Louis Gérin. Jean-Louis is departing. Ça va, toi? Oui, ça va doucement. Jean-Louis is departing. This is his last Congress as a president, and we have one candidate to replace him. So I'm going to call him too. Sébastien, please, can you come? And of course, our boss, the big master, Christian Tedouag, who is the president of the World Association of Master Chef of France. Je voudrais remercier et appeler Madame la Consul, s'il vous plaît. Vous le savez, la tradition oblige. Je vais avoir besoin de Karen pour traduire ce que je dis en français, parce qu'autrement, on sera là demain. Chère Madame la Consul Générale, Président Christian Tedouag, Président Jean-Louis Gérin, Président Pascal Guillotin, qui est dans la salle.
Tu es où?
Pascal.
Pascal.
Bonjour à tous et bienvenue au Four Seasons.
Je fais où tu veux?
Vas-y.
Hello. Good evening, Madame la Consul Générale. Good evening, President Tedouag, Gérin, Monsieur Guillotin. Welcome, everybody, here tonight, but also at the Four Seasons, which is where we happen to be.
Madame la Consul, je vous remercie de l'honneur que vous nous faites d'être présente pour notre dîner de l'amitié, et je vous laisse la parole.
Merci, Monsieur le Président de la délégation, oui. Monsieur Dumonet, Monsieur le Président Tedouag, Messieurs les Présidents, Messieurs les Maîtres cuisiniers de France, Mesdames les épouses, bravo. Vous avez choisi San Francisco pour accueillir le 55e congrès des maîtres cuisiniers de France et pour avoir le 37e dîner dans le cadre de l'amitié avec l'Académie culinaire. C'est un très beau choix que celui de San Francisco, puisqu'en lisant la charte des maîtres cuisiniers de France, on peut voir que vous partagez des valeurs telles que la convivialité, la fraternité et l'inclusivité. Vous avez su, par votre talent, sublimer un de nos besoins vitaux et l'amener au rang d'art et d'excellence. Puisqu'une profession, c'est une véritable profession de foi dans laquelle vous avez consacré tout votre talent. Vous êtes ainsi des ambassadeurs de l'art culinaire et en cela, vous participez pleinement au rayonnement de la gastronomie française qui appartient au patrimoine culturel de la France. Certains d'entre vous d'ailleurs cumulent avec succès le rang d'ambassadeur de la gastronomie française et chef à la table d'un de nos diplomates. Je crois que M. Bod se reconnaîtra. Je vais continuer en français, donc un nouveau mot qui me plaît beaucoup dans la langue française, qui est celui de sans divulgacher une information. Je crois que vous avez intronisé 5 nouveaux maîtres cuisiniers de France, et je crois que d'autres surprises nous attendent ce soir. Je vous remercie encore de cet honneur que vous nous faites pour cette soirée, et je vous souhaite une excellente soirée. Merci.
Je vais laisser la parole à Jean-Louis, parce que je ne sais plus ce que j'ai à dire, donc comme ça va.
Madame la Consul Générale reste en haut, tu peux regarder ça.
Oui.
Grand plaisir.
Eh bien, I want to welcome all of you tonight again, Madame la Consul, dear maîtres cuisiniers, mes chers académiciens. It is a great pleasure to be here and participate in this Dîner de l'Amitié, which is a grand tradition for our both association. We are going to start by dedicating this dinner to our patrons, the boss, Jean-Jacques Détrich, who just passed away, and was our délégué for the Academy for 31 years. So, Jean-Jacques, this is looking at you, and we remember you. We thank you for everything that you did for the Academy.
Nous venons de passer 3 jours inoubliables. Merci à nos chefs organisateurs et à toutes les petites mains, aux grandes mains, qui ont donné beaucoup d'énergie et de temps. Donc j'aimerais appeler sur le podium tous nos chefs.
Je fais en anglais?
Ouais.
We would like to thank, we've just spent the last 3 days have just been absolutely unforgettable. And we want to make sure that we thank the chefs who organised everything, as well as the people who were right alongside, helping them and assisting them every step of the way, giving energy and time.
Alors, par ordre alphabétique, David Bastide. Faites le tour comme ça on vous voit. Joël Guillon. Gérald Irigoyen. T'as du femme. Claude Lotoïc. Laurent Manrique. Fabrice Marcon. Je vois Fabrice.
Profiteur.
Roland Passot. Merci, j'ai oublié quelqu'un. Et Xavier Salomon. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Mais restez avec nous. On aimerait aussi justement appeler les petites mains. Jean-Louis, je vous aime toi ici.
Ah, les petites mains.
Qui travaille bénévolement.
Toi, tu vas là-bas. Cameron, non, toi, tu vas là-bas. Toi, tu passes là. Écoutez le chef pour une fois. Aïe, 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 aïe.
Non, pas. Merci à côté de moi, vous êtes très bien ici, là. Ok. Cameroun, c'est marqué dessus, c'est bien ça, j'ai pas mis.
C'est Cameroun, je vais vous aider.
Cameron uruguayen, s'il vous plaît. Do you have your ID? You have your ID?
He just wanted a kiss, that's why.
C'est un petit cadeau.
Oh, c'est incroyable!
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Tu le demandes?
Bravo.
Merci.
Oh là là!
Chris Mason. Yes, Chris.
Elle a fait tous les menus et tous les événements. C'est elle qui les a fait.
Chris. Chris.
Merci beaucoup, c'est très gentil à vous. Thank you very much.
Stephanie Price.
Merci beaucoup.
Pam Wijneski, excuse me for the name. We got also David Robinson. Is he here? No? So maybe later? Et notre maître des cérémonies, mais plutôt notre host, Liam Clem.
Thank you very much.
Et bien sûr, mais vous le savez, Laura Salomon.
Merci.
Et Macarène Dumonet.
Tout de suite, il devient possessif. Hein. Ma Karen, dis donc. C'est notre Karen.
Je vous remercie vraiment tous. I really thank everybody. We had a great 3 days, so it's fantastic. Thank you. Si les chefs veulent retourner en cuisine.
Merci.
Merci le cadeau.
Jean-Louis, pas trop long, hein, le discours là.
Non, non.
Should we translate that because some people didn't understand what's going on?
Merci beaucoup. I'll stay here. Be ready.
Et maintenant, je passe la parole à notre président Christian Tête-Bois.
Viens à côté de moi, viens à côté de moi. Alors, je vais une intervention très courte pour vous dire toute la joie que j'ai d'être parmi vous. Et on vient de vivre encore 4 jours absolument magnifiques. Donc, merci beaucoup à tous les organisateurs. Vas-y.
I just want to make sure that I don't do too long of a speech, but I want to say thank you once again for the last 4 days to all of the organisers. What a wonderful, amazing time we were able to live together.
En plus, alors évidemment, les épouses ne peuvent pas le savoir, mais on a bien travaillé ce matin.
And one thing that the spouses and partners, life partners, cannot know is that this morning we did really work very hard.
Vous en doutiez? Ça, c'est pas bien de rire.
Some people are skeptic, but Julie knows. She's right here.
Alors, vraiment, tous mes compliments à toutes et à tous pour tout ce que vous faites au quotidien pour faire briller les couleurs de la cuisine française.
So my compliments to everybody for what you do to ensure that the French culinary savors and flavors are recognized and represented very high here in the States.
La cuisine française est un trésor, elle vaut bien qu'on s'en occupe avec beaucoup de passion.
French culinary arts is a real treasure and is truly worthy of the care and the good representation that we give to it and the respect that we give to it too.
N'oubliez jamais notre première mission qui est la transmission du savoir.
Never forget that our first point in our mission statement is the transmittal of our knowledge moving forward.
Et tout en respectant la tradition, il faut qu'on aille vers plus de modernité, qu'on s'approprie les nouveaux sujets du moment, les nouvelles tendances, avec notamment la place du végétal.
And as we stay in the traditional, we have to make sure that we are able to adapt to modernism and to think of all that is vegetable and respecting nature and all of the environment that goes with it.
Merci à toutes et à tous et bon appétit.
Thank you to all and enjoy your dinner.
Comment voulez-vous qu'on gagne l'attention si on des bouteilles?
Nous allons passer aux intronisations, mais j'aimerais dire quelques mots parce que ces 3 jours vraiment été fantastiques. Fantastiques, mais aussi quelquefois très durs pour tout le monde. Et c'est ce que je me dis quelquefois pendant les semaines, surtout les jours, sans parler des heures qui sont avant cet événement. Je me dis, mais Jean-Louis, tu es malade.
Je peux?
Oui.
So, comment t'as commencé ton truc, toi? Sorry. These last few days were really, really amazing, but speaking in his voice, I have to say how wonderful it is and to reiterate and to put forth one thing that he had not told me before that I have to translate. So sometimes in the weeks and the days and the hours that start before our big Congress and before our annual rendezvous, I think, oh my God, you are crazy, Jean-Louis.
On se prend un peu le bec avec Karen.
Peut-être tu peux répéter quand même que tu lui as demandé que 2 jours par an que tu puisses rester le patron quand même.
C'est vrai, effectivement. On se prend le bec avec Karen et je lui ai dit 2 jours par an ou 3 jours par an, j'aimerais être le chef à la maison, mais c'est difficile.
Karen and I sometimes do have get into a tiff, and as Christian just intervened, he said, well, yes, 2 or 3 days a year, I actually asked Karen to let me be the boss.
On a, en tant qu'organisateur, des imprévus qui semblent se donner rendez-vous tous ensemble, que ce soit des annulations, des réservations de dernière minute, des dépenses qu'on n'avait pas vraiment envisagées qui font exploser le budget, des petits soucis de chambre pas prête, etc., etc., etc.
We also have the unexpected that seem to pop up, obviously, as we don't expect them, but they do. The reservations or cancellations that happened in the last 4 days. I think we had 60 extra reservations in the last 3 days. The people that we didn't expect to pop up at various events, expenses we didn't expect either that make our budget just go through the ceiling, rooms that are not ready, and handbags that get stolen with laptops.
Et arrive le soir de la finale, non pas Toulouse, mais il n'est pas là, donc ça va. La finale de la journée ou du congrès où on se retrouve tous ensemble après avoir passé tant de moments magiques, ensemble, de vrais camarades, et on s'est dit avec les copains, on est bien.
But then we come to tonight, the last night of the Congress. He put in a reference for a rugby game, but the people who were interested and involved in it were not really, they didn't raise their voices, so we're fine. But it's the end of the Congress, we're all together, and after having spent so many magic moments, we're all together, family, real friends, the family that we make with one another, who chosen one another, and we say, you know what, all is good. And it's true. It's true.
Et c'est vrai, Dieu qu'on est bien ensemble. Et de retour avec ma belle Karen dans notre chambre d'hôtel, on n'hésite pas, et sans se parler, on sait qu'on va recommencer l'année prochaine.
And so, along those lines, when I go back to my hotel room with my wonderful and gorgeous and stunningly beautiful, amazing Karen,
En fait, ça vous excite un peu. Hein. Il va se passer des choses.
we get back to our hotel room, and without talking to one another, mum's the word, we look at one another and say, we're going to do it next year, aren't we? Yep.
It's red.
He's the boss.
So, mes chers amis, tu veux dire en anglais, bon?
T'es où? T'en es où là?
Tout cela, je vous le dois, à vous tous, par votre amitié, votre amour et votre loyauté.
They're not meant to get choked up. So all of this, I owe it to you, to your friendship, to your love, and your loyalty.
Merci de me et de nous faire confiance à tous.
Thank you for trusting me and trusting us.
Et comme disait un de nos amis à Paris, qui n'est pas là ce soir malheureusement, ça, c'est les maîtres cuisiniers. On vous aime, je vous aime.
And as somebody, a friend of ours who's in Paris said, this is the Master Chef of France. Thank you. We love you.
And these are the new ones. So I'm going to call them. And if Godfather are here, to come with your godson. David Bastide. Okay. Bad choice. David and his two godfathers are working in the kitchen, so we leave them. Pascal Beauté, parrain Gérard. Jean-Pierre Dubray, parrain Roland et Xavier. David Féo n'est pas là, il est en train d'ouvrir un restaurant, donc il a pas mal de travail. Il a essayé de venir, mais il n'a pas pu le faire. Grégory Pugin a des gros problèmes de dos, comme je vous l'ai dit ce matin, donc il est excusé aussi. Ses deux parrains sont là, Steve, Benjamin et Jonathan.
Qu'on remercie.
Merci. Et Hervé Rioux, dont les parrains sont Christian Douvrier et Eric Ripper. Christian. So just for you to know, the MasterChef of France got their medal and everything in France in March by the president. What we do in our meeting is we just present them to all the other MasterChef of France. So here we are. Merci. Non, bah, ça fait longtemps que vous y allez plus. Merci, messieurs. Thank you very much. And now it's my pleasure to give the mic to my friend Jean-Louis.
Thank you very much, my friend Jean-Louis.
Tu veux ça?
Ah ouais. Ça marche comment, ça? Okay, so the intronization of the academiciens are done here. They are, of course, the dossiers are sent to Paris and your bureau and our president, world Fabrice Prochasson, who is sending tonight his regrets. He's stuck at work, so he cannot be with us, and he's very sad about it. But he will be here in January for Dîner de Chasse. So here it is. He approved, of course, all of the new class of 2019. So let's go. Introduced in New York during a Dîner de Chasse, un journée du partage in January was Georgette Farkas, le parrain Eric Bertoya, Eric Bertoya et Jean-Louis Gerin, good parrain. And Georgette is the first lady that we welcome from the front of the house, and she's a restaurant owner, and it's really a great honor for her to have a lady of such talent. The next one, Bruno Bertin is here tonight. His parrains are Dr. Bruno Gousseau and Jean-Louis Gerin, doctor. Okay. All right, so that was the academician that was welcome in New York, and we do have for tonight, Monsieur Dumonet?
Oh, sorry.
Voilà, in San Francisco. So the first one is AJ Schaller, and she is with the Korea Group Executive Chef. Her parents are Gérard Bertolon and Dr. Bruno Gousseau. Bravo. Sébastien Beau, future president of the Academy, is going to give her a diploma, medal, and pins, in that order. I'm just kidding. Okay, we're good. And of course, she's also getting the little blue book, the Bible, who regroup all the academicians around the world, about 1,500 academicians from different nationalities and different origins, who are all working in the same tradition of French cuisine and knowledge sharing and promoting and helping the young people to progress. Okay? Okay. Thanks. Okay. We have Christophe Moreau who is here tonight with us. Parrain Florian Bélanger and Fabrice Guinchard. Bravo, Christophe. We are very honored that you joined the Academy. Welcome.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Monsieur Guinchard. Allons-y, la photo.
Pas trop tard.
Peter Zampaglione, directeur F&B Concept for Walt Disney. Jean-Louis, put it back, please. Thank you. And both of his parents, godfathers, are in the kitchen right now, so we'll have to do the pictures without them. So let's do that. Xavier is in the kitchen, yes. And Eric Béranger. Eric? Il est là. Okay, good. Yeah.
Bravo.
Okay. Jean-Louis? Click. Okay. And we have Rainer Singrabe with the parrain Xavier Salomon, Gérard Berthelon. Welcome.
That's it.
Non mais dis donc.
Sorry.
Pardon. Bienvenue.
So you do speak French.
Un petit pois.
Petit pois.
Félicitations. Non, c'est vrai, il vient de se
De l'académie.
Non, il y a d'autres gens après.
Donc ça, c'est ce soir. Après. Mesdames Josepha, putain, faut pas arrêter.
Thank you. Bienvenue. Appuie sur le petit bouton. Fauteuil de l'Académie culinaire de France, it's a tradition to honor a chef for his lifetime achievements. This time, for the first time, we ask two very good friends and people who made a big difference in the education in America and are incredibly talented. We are very happy to give the Fauteuil de l'Académie to Sébastien Canon and Jackie Pfizer. So Sébastien is here tonight. The Fauteuil de l'Académie is dedicated to chefs who passed. So the fauteuil is dedicated to Gaston Lenôtre and André Renard. Merci. It's going to take a while. Click. This year, for the first time, we had an extraordinary year in competition. and we were present in 4 different competitions in France, and we had a talented team of people that were helping here. All of them are academicians, and I asked the President Prochasson to give them the médaille Joseph Favre, who is our fondateur, the founding father of the Academy in 1879, right, guys? 18 years ago, like here. 1879. So, if you are, I know that you are here tonight. Eric Bertoya, Sébastien Canon, who is here, Monsieur Bernard Crétier, Fabrice Guinchard, Sylvain Leroy, Jackie Pfeiffer, Olivier Ginansi are the team that worked to train the American chefs to go represent us in France. Bravo les gars. Voilà. Bravo Sylvain, merci. It's getting longer and longer to say. Clic, clic.
Eh, monsieur Crétier, ouais.
Ah, monsieur Crétier.
Ah, le voilà.
Bah alors, chef.
Je cherchais. C'est bon.
Merci. So we had a great year with competition, and that's possible with the generosities of our partners. And so you see that we have Bridor, Korea Cuisine Solution, Paris Gourmet, PCB Creation, our major sponsor, and everything that they give to us goes to competition. So we want to thank them tonight and tell them that we spend everything. So please. Thank you very much to our platinum sponsors. Well, that's it for me. So we will see you in 2020 in January for the introduction of a new president, Cocktail Jean-Jacques Dietrich, to celebrate the life and the talent of our patron, and the traditional partage du savoir-faire and dinner de chasse. So we see you in New York in January. Thank you.
So it's my turn now to thank our 2019 sponsors. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for your help. Without you, we won't be there. You neither, but we won't be together here. So thank you very much. Here we have a platinum sponsor, American Pistachio. Thank you. We have a big group of pistachio farmers and people working for the growers, so thank you very much. We have a gold sponsor, Cuisine Solution Crea. Bridor is going back to cook the bread. Let's go. And Star Nikolai for the caviar that we're going to have as the first course, I think. We got Evian Badois, Garnier Thiebaud,
Ouais.
Fortessa, Bayonne, Jean-Luc Colombo, we're going to drink tonight, Saint-Michel. Pardon, sorry.
Bravo. Merci.
And we got the bronze sponsor, Brioche Fontenot, Champagne Besserat Belfond that we are drinking right now. So thank you, Godefroy. Godefroy is here. Thank you. We have Braga, who give us the jackets and everything. We got D'Artagnan, Itales, nice glasses that we may have on the table. Twin Dolphin, Palais d'été. It's going to be good tomorrow morning, I think. Palux, a new kitchen concept. Paris Gourmet, who is following us, the Maître Cuisinier and Academy every year. Citram Inox, and no, she's here, Kim. And Kim is a sponsor with us for at least 7 or 8 years. So thank you, Kim. And West Central Food Service. Thank you all. And this has all the San Francisco friends sponsor that help at giving us some food, some products, so thank you very much too. Some of them are here and some are not, but thank you very much for all of them. And our next Congress will be in France, in Lorraine, in March 2020. And our next Congress for USA will be on a Princess Cruise, and in the Caribbean, and after Day 1 and after Canada.
All right. And in conclusion, we want to finally ask Philippe Haddad to come and get his diploma. It's been 3 years that we are playing back and forth, trying to get him, snowstorm in New York, and finally, the diploma and Philippe are joining.
Attends, je savais pas que t'avais ça. Ça reste d'actualité comme ça. Ça reste d'actualité. Bravo.
Merci à tous et bon appétit.
La photo, attends. Merci beaucoup. Plaisir.